Let's test your English today. By the end of this video, you'll find out what your English level is. Give yourself a score from 1 to 24. 1 to 8 means beginner, 9 to 16 means intermediate, 17 to 24 means advanced. Let's start. Which one is correct? A. He have a new car. B. He has a new car. C. He has new cars. The correct answer is he has a new car. We say has with he, she, or it, not have. So, he has a new car is the only right one. It just means he owns a new car. Simple as that. Choose the correct sentence. A. I am very happy. B. I is very happy. C. I are very happy. The correct answer is I am very happy. With I, you always say am. I am, not I is or I are. Super basic, but important. I am happy. Pick the right one. A. There is 2 cats on the sofa. B. There are 2 cats on the sofa. C. There are cat 2 on the sofa. The correct answer is there are 2 cats on the sofa. We say there are when there is more than one. Cats are plural, so we need are. 1 cat, there is. 2 cats, there are. Which sentence sounds correct? A. She can speak English. B. She can speak English. C. She can too speak English. The correct answer is she can speak English. After can, we use the base form, no S, no to. So, it's can speak. She can speak English. Easy peasy. Choose the correct one. A. I went to the shop yesterday. B. I go to the shop yesterday. C. I will go to the shop yesterday. The correct answer is I went to the shop yesterday. Yesterday means it already happened. So we use past tense went. Go is now. Will go is future. Doesn't fit with yesterday. Pick the correct question. A. How much water do you drink every day? B. How many water do you drink every day? C. How much waters do you drink every day? The correct answer is how much water do you drink every day? Water isn't countable. You can't say 1 water. That's why we say how much, not how many. How much water is perfect here. Choose the right sentence. A. I usually go to work by car. B. I usually going to work by car. C. I usually goes to work by car. The correct answer is I usually go to work by car. Usually means it's a habit. For habits, we use simple present. I go. Not going, not goes. Pick the correct one. A. We have lived here since 2 years. B. We have lived here for 2 years. C. We lived here for 2 years. The correct answer is we have lived here for 2 years. We use for with a time period. For 2 years. We use since with a starting point. Since 2020. So, for 2 years fits here. Which one is right? A. If I were you, I will say sorry. B. If I were you, I would say sorry. C. If I was you, I would say sorry. The correct answer is if I were you, I would say sorry. We use if I were you to give advice. It means if I were in your shoes, so we use would, not will. Pick the correct sentence. A. She has been working here since 2019. B. She had been working here since 2019. C. She is working here since 2019. The correct answer is she has been working here since 2019. She started in 2019 and still works now. That's why we say has been working. It connects the past and the present perfectly. Which is correct? A. He suggested me to take the course. B. He suggested that I take the course. C. He suggested me taking the course. The correct answer is he suggested that I take the course. After suggest, we don't say to. We say suggest that someone do something. So, he suggested that I take the course. Choose the right one. A. I've never been to Paris. B. I never was to Paris. C. I've never been to Paris. The correct answer is I've never been to Paris. This means in your whole life, not even once. We use have been for life experience. So, I've never been, I haven't visited Paris ever. Pick the correct one. A. I'm used to get up early. B. I used to getting up early. C. I'm used to getting up early. The correct answer is I'm used to getting up early. This means waking up early feels normal for me. After used to, we use a verb plus ing. So getting up, not get up. Choose the right one. A. Despite he was tired, he kept working. B. Despite being tired, he kept working. C. Despite of being tired, he kept working. The correct answer is despite being tired, he kept working. Despite is like although. After it, use a noun or verb plus ing. So, despite being tired, that's the right one. Pick the correct sentence. A. I prefer coffee than tea. B. I prefer coffee to tea. C. I prefer coffee instead tea. The correct answer is I prefer coffee to tea. After prefer, we say to, not than. You can say I prefer coffee to tea or I like coffee more. Simple and natural. Choose the correct one. A. He said me that he was tired. B. He told me that he was tired. C. He said me to go. The correct answer is he told me that he was tired. We say tell someone, not say me. So, he told me that he was tired. Easy. Tell plus person. Say plus thing. Which one's correct? A. Hardly. I had arrived when it started to rain. B. Hardly had I arrived when it started to rain. C. I had hardly arrived when it started to rain. The correct answer is hardly had I arrived when it started to rain. It means just when I arrived, it started raining. It's a formal structure. We flip the order. Had I, not I had. You'll see this mostly in advanced writing or storytelling. Pick the right one. A. No sooner we reached the station than the train left. B. No sooner did we reach the station than the train left. C. No sooner we did reach the station than the train left. The correct answer is no sooner did we reach the station than the train left. It means the train left right after we arrived. We use did we reach, that's called inversion. It's a formal but very natural structure in writing. Choose the correct sentence. A. He denied to steal the money. B. He denied stealing the money. C. He denied that he stole the money. The correct answer is he denied stealing the money. After deny, use verb plus ing. It means he said, no, I didn't steal it. Deny to doesn't exist in English. Pick the right one. A. She is looking forward to meet you. B. She's looking forward to meeting you. C. She looks forward to meet you. The correct answer is she's looking forward to meeting you. It means she's excited to see you soon. After look forward to, we always use verb plus ing. So, meeting you, not meet you. Choose the correct one. A. Had I known, I would help you. B. Had I known, I would have helped you. C. If I knew, I would have helped you. The correct answer is, had I known, I would have helped you. It's formal and advanced. It means, if I had known, I would have helped. We remove if and move had to the front. That's inversion. Pick the correct one. A. The manager whom I spoke to was kind. B. The manager who I spoke to was kind. C. The manager which I spoke to was kind. The correct answer is the manager whom I spoke to was kind. Whom is used after preposition like to. It's formal but correct. In everyday English, people often say who, and that's fine too. Which sentence is correct? A. Were it not for your help, I would fail. B. If it weren't your help, I would fail. C. Unless it was for your help, I would fail. The correct answer is, were it not for your help, I would fail. It means, if it weren't for your help. We move were to the front. It's a formal conditional. Sounds advanced, but natives used it too. Choose the right one. A. Little did he know what would happen next. B. He little knew what would happen next. C. Little he knew what would happen next. The correct answer is, little did he know what would happen next. It means he had no idea what was coming. We start with little, then switch to word order. Did he know? It's super common in stories for drama or surprise. Now write your scores in the comments from 1 to 24. 1 to 8 means beginner. 9 to 16 means intermediate. 17 to 24 means advanced. If you got all 24, you're a grammar wizard. Don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.